Hello again. In our last Java file, Logic Java, I forgot to add here another objective. Learn about program logic flow would be to logical conditional operators. And here would be logical equal, logical exclamation mark and equal sign as not equal, greater than, less than, or greater than or equal, I'll move it here, less than or equal, logical AND, and logical OR, two tubes. Logical OR. It was our second objective. Third, fourth. Good. Here I added eligibility program control start. Here I added eligibility program control end. Okay, and here let's say, just to implement it, if male age more or equals than 65, female, I put here and. But for comparison, I'll put here or. Okay, so either of them, it will be both are retired already. Just to show up, to demonstrate it. So far, good. File save. Let's execute it. No. Right here. I'll put exactly at 65. Male age, let's say 65. Female age, let's say 55. However, the output will be correct as I set it up. Now, close this file and under Java Basics first package, create new class. Lecture 3, switch case. Add Java main method again and click finish. Okay. First of all, let me explain you something. Clear the console. Okay, first. First, in this lecture, we're gonna learn about Java switch case. What is Java switch case? To avoid writing multiple if-else statements, utilize or apply better, apply the switch statement to select executable code block. Switch statement. Second, break statement is used to exit from switch or loop execution, and continue statement is used to continue with switch or loop execution. We're gonna be learning loops later. Right now, I'll create another scenario. Employee identification. employee identification process program, and objective. Objective 1. Learn switch case. Application. Now, objective 2. I'd like to put it down a little bit. Objective 2. Learn the learn the difference between colon and semicolon. Objective 3. Learn break statement. Good. Right now, part 1, basic switch case demo. Now, let's declare a variable as a string. Variable would be employee as string, data type, and variable would be, let's say, engineer. Execute. Now, to go through this engineer case, let's type switch condition curly brackets. We're gonna switch this variable employee in a number of cases. First case, let's say, case executive. Now, you know that semicolon is used to execute statement. But now you learn that colon is a conditional operator. It means a condition. Now execute a condition. Execute this statement. Employ it as and plus employee plus the variable itself. Now we can copy paste these cases. I just want to show you something. Case manager, case finally case engineer. I want it to be last. And default. Condition if This variable is not found, so we need to type something here. Not found. Employee. Not employed, let's say. And now, to exit each case, enter break keyword. Execute. Good. Now we're all set, and let's execute our first switch case. Let me explain here. Okay, let's execute it. Very good result as expected. Switch case was switching case employee, variable employee. It found it and executed. Now, let's demonstrate another one. Copy paste. I will add it as here. Integer salary. Integer salary would be, let's say, 80,000. Switch case salary is gonna be part 2, basic variable salary as integer. And here I would change it as string. Okay, so switch case salary. Case 40, 1, 2, 3. Case 50, 1, 2, case 50, 50, sorry, 50, 1, 2, 3. Case 60, 1, 2, 3. Case 70, 1, 2, 3. And case 80, 1, 2, 3. Since it's integer, remove it. Okay, conditional operators. And let us change salary employed, no, employee graded would be employee that for, and I'll add here $sign. Now I'll change it all. Automatically added. Graded for good. Okay. So the difference would be here, I'm switching case for a data type string. And here, I'm switching case for data type integer. Okay, let me announce it. Okay. Not needed. Good. Here I'll add another part. Starting. Intermediate switch case. Let's see the output. Clear console. Good result, expected result. Here is engineer as string, data type a string, we switched it. And here we switched an integer right here. Now let me explain you something else. I would like to introduce you a concept of enum. Here it is. Enum is a special class, consists from uppercase letters or final variables and final variables. I will demonstrate it to you right now. Outside of the class, I will create enum department curly brackets execution sign, and here I will announce enum members. Okay, so will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members here. Announce enum for switch case right here. Outside of the class. Here's class, here's our enum. Now I need to create another case here. Part 2. Starting advanced switch case for enum. Part 3. Enum switch case demo. Switch case for enum class. I will announce new variable. Choose department as department type, and value assignment will be department, and here our enum declared values: accounting, sales, shipment, engineering, and DevOps. I will choose development operations here. Right now it's not used. Now I will copy paste this case, switch, and I'm going to switch it to switch this variable. Switch this variable, exchange it, okay, no such. The default statement would be here, no such department in the organization. And here I will bring all these cases, copy, right here, paste, and I will case, counting, case, engineering. Let me see, was it engineering here? Sales was first. Counting, sales, engineering, DevOps. Wanna put it in order properly. Once again, accounting gone, sales, engineering gone, engineering, shipment, and DevOps will be left. Development operations. And DevOps is left. Development operations. Good. Right now we are ready to execute it. Starting advanced, switch case, enum. Enum switch case. Let's clear the console and let's execute it once again. So there will be altogether, there will be 3 executions. Okay. Let's run it. No. I would like it to show you starting from enum. Good. Exactly 3 switch cases execution happened. It was basic switch case. Engineer was declared as a string data type. Intermediate switch case, 80,000 were declared as integer. And third, starting advanced enum switch case, DevOps, I need to remove data. Employee graded for DevOps. I need to clean something here. Let me check it. Employee graded for. I didn't change this. Okay. Employee works in properly. Clear. Now it will be final execution of this program. Once again, let me explain something else, emphasize. No, I will execute it first. Okay. Very good output as expected, all 3 cases. Case first, case second, case number 3, right here. which is enum, switch case. So what did we learn today? To sum up, scenario was employee identification process program. Objective first, learn switch case application instead of multiple if, else statements. Number two was learn the difference between colon and semicolon. Objective three, learn break statement to break out of the switch case. Here, you take case, you look at the case, colon is conditional operator, your execution statement here, followed by semicolon, and to get out from this, you're using break followed by semicolon, as expected. Once again, let me explain something. Let me remind you. Okay, and we were introduced for enum special class, which works for as uppercase letters final variables, right here. Outside of the class, I declared enum department, here enum members followed by comma, and all enum is executed by semicolon. Very good. I see you in the next lecture.